What's the meaning of absurdly? Absurdly. 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 The word absurdly is an adverb that means in an absurd manner, ridiculously. It is used to describe something that is illogical, unreasonable, or nonsensical. For example, you might say that a person's argument is absurdly illogical, or that a situation is absurdly unfair. Here are some examples of how the word absurdly can be used in a sentence. The man's claim that he could fly was absurdly ridiculous. The judge's decision to sentence the man to life in prison was absurdly unfair. The woman's argument that the world is flat was absurdly illogical. The word absurdly can be used to add emphasis to a statement, making it clear that the speaker or writer believes that something is completely illogical or unreasonable.